Hi, I'm Jeff Scott, Director of iFit Pro, Simply Brilliant Websites. In this podcast, I'm going to explain to you the importance of content. Content on your website is invaluable. People searching the internet, they've got problems. They're looking for a solution. They're looking for you if you've got the answer to their solution. If you've got on your website that this is the type of thing that you offer, and they come across and find you, wow, that's what I'm looking for. And what they're likely to do is get in touch with you. Also, having good content on your website can really drive the search engine optimization of your site and really increase your page rank on Google. But I'm going to go more into that on later videos in the search engine optimization video. In terms of content, different people want to intake the content in different ways. So some people might want to read a load of text, some people want to look at pictures, some people might want to watch a video, such as yourselves perhaps. So you should allow the different users that arrive at your website to intake the information in whatever way they choose: text, images or pictures. Keep on watching, keep on going, watch through the playlist. I'm going to keep on hitting more on these subjects, more in the gallery about content and more in the search engine optimization and the SEO video. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.